Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is this?
This is a book.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
What is that?
That is a computer.
What is that?
That is a computer.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
What is this?
This is a cup.
What is this?
This is a cup.
Who is he?
He is a police officer.
Who is he?
He is a police officer.
What is that?
That is a television.
What is that?
That is a television.
Who is she?
She is an engineer.
Who is she?
She is an engineer.
What is this?
This is a chair.
What is this?
This is a chair.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who are they?
They are friends.
What is that?
That is a cell phone.
What is that?
That is a cell phone.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
What is this?
This is a table.
What is this?
This is a table.
Who is she?
She is a chef.
Who is she?
She is a chef.
What is that?
That is a lamp.
What is that?
That is a lamp.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
Who is he?
He is a musician.
Who is he?
He is a musician.
What is that?
That is a painting.
What is that?
That is a painting.
Who is she?
She is a singer.
Who is she?
She is a singer.
What is this?
This is a sofa.
What is this?
This is a sofa.
Who are they?
They are actors.
Who are they?
They are actors.
What is that?
That is a plant.
What is that?
That is a plant.
Who is he?
He is a pilot.
Who is he?
He is a pilot.
What is this?
This is a clock.
What is this?
This is a clock.
Who is she?
She is a dancer.
Who is she?
She is a dancer.
What is that?
That is a mirror.
What is that?
That is a mirror.
Who are they?
They are athletes.
Who are they?
They are athletes.
What is this?
This is a bottle.
What is this?
This is a bottle.
Who is he?
He is a mechanic.
Who is he?
He is a mechanic.
What is that?
That is a dog.
What is that?
That is a dog.
Who is she?
She is a writer.
Who is she?
She is a writer.
What is this?
This is a bed.
What is this?
This is a bed.
Who are they?
They are farmers.
Who are they?
They are farmers.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
Who is he?
He is a businessman.
Who is he?
He is a businessman.
What is this?
This is a shirt.
What is this?
This is a shirt.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
That is a car.
What is that?
That is a car.
Who are they?
They are teachers.
Who are they?
They are teachers.
Who is he?
He is a scientist.
Who is he?
He is a scientist.
What is that?
That is a tree.
What is that?
That is a tree.
Who is she?
She is a lawyer.
Who is she?
She is a lawyer.
What is this?
This is a bag.
What is this?
This is a bag.
Who is he?
He is a photographer.
Who is he?
He is a photographer.
What is this?
This is a hat.
What is this?
This is a hat.
Who is she?
She is a dentist.
Who is she?
She is a dentist.
What is that?
That is a door.
What is that?
That is a door.
What is this?
This is a window.
What is this?
This is a window.
Who is he?
He is a carpenter.
Who is he?
He is a carpenter.
What is that?
That is the key.
What is that?
That is the key.
Who is she?
She is a librarian.
Who is she?
She is a librarian.
What is this?
This is a coat.
What is this?
This is a coat.
What is that?
That is a ball.
What is that?
That is a ball.
Who is he?
He is a soldier.
Who is he?
He is a soldier.
What is this?
This is a blanket.
What is this?
This is a blanket.
Who is she?
She is a florist.
Who is she?
She is a florist.
What is this?
This is a backpack.
What is this?
This is a backpack.
Who is he?
He is a plumber.
Who is he?
He is a plumber.
What is that?
That is a guitar.
What is that?
That is a guitar.
Who is she?
She is a receptionist.
Who is she?
She is a receptionist.
What is this?
This is a shoe.
What is this?
This is a shoe.
Who are they?
They are architects.
Who are they?
They are architects.
What is that?
That is a vase.
What is that?
That is a vase.
Who is he?
He is a waiter.
Who is he?
He is a waiter.
What is this?
This is a wallet.
What is this?
This is a wallet.
Who is she?
She is a flight attendant.
Who is she?
She is a flight attendant.
What is that?
That is a map.
What is that?
That is a map.
Who are they?
They are astronauts.
Who are they?
They are astronauts.
What is this?
This is a glove.
What is this?
This is a glove.
What is that?
That is a beach.
What is that?
That is a beach.
Who is she?
She is a journalist.
Who is she?
She is a journalist.
What is this?
This is a spoon.
What is this?
This is a spoon.
Who are they?
They are painters.
Who are they?
They are painters.
What is that?
That is a mountain.
What is that?
That is a mountain.
Who is he?
He is a lifeguard.
Who is he?
He is a lifeguard.
Who is she?
She is a cashier.
Who is she?
She is a cashier.
What is that?
That is a river.
What is that?
That is a river.
Who are they?
They are electricians.
Who are they?
They are electricians.
What is this?
This is a sock.
What is this?
This is a sock.
Who is he?
He is a bus driver.
Who is he?
He is a bus driver.
What is this?
This is a notebook.
What is this?
This is a notebook.
Who are they?
They are sailors.
Who are they?
They are sailors.
What is that?
That is a forest.
What is that?
That is a forest.
Who is he?
He is a delivery man.
Who is he?
He is a delivery man.
Who is she?
She is a secretary.
Who is she?
She is a secretary.
What is that?
That is a lake.
What is that?
That is a lake.